Welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We're looking at Ripple for this video. We're going to go straight into the analysis side. That's because we have already done the reviewing of our analysis from last week. So obviously you can understand that makes this process a bit quicker in terms of the video. So let's just go into the analysis. So if we step back to the daily, we need to get like the overall picture. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete all of this stuff. Actually, let's take it to a weekly so you can see it a bit better. So I've drawn these two trend lines, and these are higher time frame levels, but basically this red one is the overextended trend line, so it's the absolute maximum. So we can considerably see if we find a retest at this level, we're gonna see some movement. So we've actually come to this point in time here roughly. So we just very close here, but roughly this was the turning point here, and it was on our downwards trend, the overextended one. So on the daily, we're looking to find momentum upwards now. So I do believe we've broken our trend line for the downwards side to the downside. So if we turn it to the 4 hourly, you can see that we've broken our upside momentum, and then with downside. And now if we just draw this in roughly around here, we can see that this has now obviously been broken again, and this monthly key level is an important level for our turning points because we've had multiple touches on this line. So at 0.31230, we're getting the W formation. So I'm looking to buy Ripple as of now. So the perfect timing to buy was in the week. So if you was actively on my Twitter, you would have known that we had hit one of our key points for a buying potential, which we did and managed to get into. But no problem. If you was to get into this trade as of now, what I'll be looking for is a push to the upside of this zone, and then a break to the upside, roughly aiming towards the top here. So I'll just quickly draw that in again. So a break and then a retest and then a touch to the upside. So hopefully anticipating that move. So that is roughly there. Take profits and stop loss regions are not to scale. It's just according to when we do get the actual price forming. But if we do manage to get to the top of the zone, that'll be a 10% or 11% increase, which is obviously good by any counts. So hopefully that would be a scenario. But if we do not get that at all, if we do get a downside sort of change, we could get a second bounce again, a second test here like that before we head up higher. So depending on where we do find our long, perfect entry would be either these two places, so at the top of this zone or our key level at 0.31230. So that'll be all for Ripple for this analysis for this week. I'm just going to quickly show you my Twitter page. Basically, I just post all of the updates, so people can get involved with how I'm trading and my trading style. So it's obviously time stamped, so you can see it through the week. So obviously it adds a little more value than just the videos posting per week. So you do really get to see my thought processes behind it with the little bit of analysis, which is not too complicated. So it's perfect for beginners or whoever is trying to just start trading. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and follow the trading channel, the Twitter handle, which is at KMTRADERS_. and that is on my Twitter page. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you next week.